If you guys need to be on a 1500 calorie meal plan to lose weight and you guys don't have time, then this video is for you. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day and staying safe. So eating 1500 calories a day is really not that difficult, but when you guys are on a weight loss diet, it kind of can be. You kind of have to restrict yourself to some foods that are easy to make, and it's quite tough. Especially when you guys need to be eating 4, 5, 6 meals a day to get the best results. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to eat 1500 calories in 3 meals only, so it's more convenient for you guys. And yeah, it's doable. These 3 meals that I'm going to be showing you today in this video are completely filling, delicious, and honestly very easy to make, so you don't need that much time to make it. Before we get into the meal plan, I'm going to show you the structure of how this meal plan is going to work so you can understand what we're doing. The main macro that we're going to be focusing in this 1500 calorie meal plan is healthy fats. Now, healthy fats is a lot of calories. 1 gram of it is about 9 calories, but if you have the right fats, it can help you lose weight and keeps you full for a lot longer, because the body takes a lot longer time to digest it and break it down. So healthy fats is going to be the main macro that we're going to be focusing on here. The second element or macro is going to be protein. As you guys already know, protein like eggs and chicken breast or meat or whatever takes a lot longer for the body to break down because they're meat. They're tough to break down. So this is going to help a lot in keeping full and avoid you from binge eating and keep that 1500 calorie mark. And last but not least is going to be fiber, but in this video the fiber is not that high because the healthy fat content is extremely high. We'll break that down at the end of the video. Fiber is not that high in this video, but is compensated with the protein and the high healthy fats. All right, let's get down to the meal plan. All I ask to return is a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Starting off with the first meal is going to be a omelet. A broccoli omelet. Check it out, it's really delicious. So the first thing we're gonna do here is we're gonna get a pan and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there, and this is about almost 120 calories, 13.5 grams of healthy fats. Olive oil is a great oil to have when you guys want to lose weight. It has all the essential fatty acids and it's full of nutrients, so it's really good for you. Then we're gonna put not 1, not 2, but 3 whole eggs in there, and this has about 220 calories, 18 grams of protein, and 15 grams of healthy fats again. So you already know this is a fatty breakfast, but it's absolutely delicious. After that, we're gonna put 20 grams of black diamond marble cheese there, which is about 83 calories, 5 grams of protein, and 7 grams of fats. Then we're gonna put 100 grams of broccoli in there, which is only 40 calories, 3 grams of protein, 7 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of whopping fiber. This is just amazing. It's gonna keep you full for quite some time. Oh, and by the way, guys, if you don't like broccoli, you can just use cauliflower. I mean, they're almost the same thing, but the purpose is the same. And we're gonna put the lid on and let it cook until it's finished cooking. Once it's finished, it should look something like this, absolutely delicious and appetizing. And the total calories here is 463.5. And the macros you're getting here is 26 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, which is just absolutely crazy. You're eating almost 500 calories and it's only 10 grams of carbs. Wow. 35.5 grams of fats, majority of them all healthy fats, and you're getting 3 grams of fiber. You should be full for about 3 hours. I'm not even gonna lie, man. 3 hours. I mean, I'm an ectomorph. I have a fast metabolism, and this keeps me full for about 2 hours. And that's only 500 calories, so that's crazy. The second meal that we're going to be having is going to be a chicken breast with some veggies or a mini salad. So first things first, we're gonna be getting 200 grams of chicken breast, 311 calories with 62 grams of protein, which is just absolutely crazy, and 7 grams of fats. So we're gonna go ahead and marinate that with the salt and pepper and the lemon, all that good stuff. You can even put some hot sauce on there just to get them kick to it. Once it's finished marinating, we're gonna get a pan and we're gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil in there, and we're gonna go ahead and put the chicken breast into the pan. Now the 1 tablespoon of olive oil has about 120 calories and 13.5 grams of fats, again, healthy fats. This will add to the calories and keep you full longer, because this will increase the healthy fat content and the body will be at work trying to break that down, hence making you full longer. So that's the goal of this whole video, of this whole meal plan. While the chicken is being cooked, we're gonna go make our mini salad, and this whole entire salad is about 36 calories, 3 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber, thanks mainly to the broccoli. And to add a little bit of salad dressing, we can put 1 tablespoon of cucumber sauce. That's what I had laying around, and this had about 5 grams of fats and 1 gram of carb, total of 50 calories. It is a lot of calories. I would recommend doing other salad dressings. There are some that are calorie free, so if you guys want to use that, go ahead by all means. But adding a little bit of an empty calorie here is actually not that bad. You want to enjoy our food. You know, we don't want to just eat like plain bland things. We want to enjoy our food. So go ahead and add some salad dressing of whatever choice you like. Once the chicken is nice and cooked and delicious, oh man, that sizzle is so good, man. The meal looks something like this, absolutely delicious, and the total calories you're getting here is 517 and a half, while the total macros are 65 grams of protein, 65 grams of protein in one meal without a protein shake. Insane. That's a lot of protein, man. And this will keep you full for a very long time. 7 grams of carbs, which is just, again, up 7 grams of carbs in this whole meal. Amazing. 25 and a half grams of fats and 3 grams of fiber. You should be full for no longer than 3 hours, man. I mean, minimum 3 hours. This thing will keep you full for an extremely long time. I remember me having this meal and I was full for about an hour and a half to 2 hours, and I'm an ectomorph, I'm a skinny guy. So that's very surprising. Now moving on to the last meal of the day, this is more like a dessert, a healthy dessert obviously. And this is a banana peanut butter sandwich. First, we're gonna be getting 2 whole wheat bread, which has about 170 calories, 7 grams of protein, 31 grams of carbs. I know the carb content is a bit high here, but carbs are not your enemies when it comes down to weight loss. It's calories. You must get the amount of calories you need to lose weight, gain weight, maintain whatever it is. It could come from whatever, but mainly carbs are not your enemy. The thing is, guys, on a weight loss diet plan, you guys can have high carbs, but make sure those are high quality carbs. They're not like, you know, fast food and bad carbs, because that can really hurt you. Whole wheat bread here is actually really good when it comes to weight loss, because it does keep you full for a long time, because it also does have 4 grams of fiber, which is just absolutely insane, and 2 grams of fats. We're gonna go ahead and slap 2 tablespoons of peanut butter onto these breads, 1 on each bread obviously, and this is about 200 calories, 8 grams of protein, 6 grams of carbs, 16 grams of healthy fats. Peanut butter has healthy fats and they're really good for you, and it does keep you full for a very, very long time. So peanut butter is honestly very underrated when it comes down to weight loss. And 2 grams of fiber. On top of that, we're gonna get 1 whole banana, cut it as thin as possible, and we're gonna put on top of these breads. And this has about 100 calories, 1 gram of protein, 24 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. I know carbs are high here, but banana is a fruit, and banana has been proven to help with weight loss. So banana is really good. Don't let the 24 grams of carbs fool you, because bananas, they really do help with weight loss. And don't forget, it's backed up with 3 grams of fiber, so the chance of insulin spike is extremely, extremely low. The end product looks something like this. The total calories is 470. Total macros is 16 grams of protein, 61 grams of carbs. Like I mentioned before, guys, carbs are not your enemies when it comes down to weight loss, so don't worry about that. 18 grams of healthy fats and 9 grams of fiber. Can you guys believe that? 500 calories and 9 grams of fiber. You guys should be full for more than 4 hours. 3 to 4 hours minimum, man. This will keep you full for a very long time. I had this myself. I was full for about 2.5 to 3 hours, and I have a fast metabolism, like I keep mentioning. Like, this is so one of the best meals to have for losing weight. There you guys have it, 1,500 calories in 3 meals. The total calories you guys consume in this entire meal plan, 1,451. All right, we're off about like 49 calories, but what you guys could do here is that you guys can substitute or add 1 more egg onto the first meal, making it 4 eggs, or you can keep it 3 eggs, but increase the 20 grams of black diamond marble cheese to 30 grams. You guys can go ahead and adjust accordingly based on what you like and don't like. I'm just giving you ideas. And the total macros here is about 107 grams of protein, 78 grams of carbs, 79 grams of healthy fats, which is insane, and 15 grams of fiber. Again, fiber isn't that high on this 1,500 calorie meal plan, but again, it's substituted with the high healthy fats, which that'll keep you full for an extremely, extremely long time. Now, as promised, this is the breakdown of the entire meal with the macros. As you guys can see, fast is the highest, second is protein, and last is carbs. As you guys can see here, fast is taking almost half of the entire 1,500 calories, which is absolutely insane. That's how you know you're gonna be full for a very, very long time. And there you have it, guys. Try this 1,500 calorie meal plan. Comment down below what you guys think. If you guys want more 1,500 calorie meal plan ideas, check out these 1,500 calorie meal idea videos. I made a lot of them, and apparently you guys love them a lot. So check them out. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget to subscribe, guys. And I shall see you guys in the next video. Peace.